Hey guys, today is October 31, 2013. It is Thursday and it's about 4:40 in the morning. I haven't gone to bed yet. I'm actually converting yesterday's vlog. I've just uploaded the other day's vlog. Internet is up today. Oh no, not today. Last night. I do have good internet connection right now, so yeah, I'm so happy. But I have to wait at least an hour for this convert, which irritates me. I don't like it. I'm actually going to look for a new editing software that converts faster, because this doesn't convert as fast as I want. Para akong complainer all the time. Nakakainis. So, kahit sarili ko naiinis ako, parang every time na complain ako ng complain. Pero, ganun kasi ako eh. I'm like that sometimes. So yeah, I have an 8-minute vlog for Wednesday, and I'm gonna upload it immediately. And then I have a beauty video that will be uploaded on my beauty channel. Kasi I haven't uploaded a video in like 1 week, 2 weeks. Yeah, probably 1 week or 2 weeks. Kasi nawalan ako ng drive. Parang I don't know. Yun pala. Another thing. Wait, I'm gonna put it here. Ang hirap kasing magsalita pag nakahawak ako sa camera ko eh. Namano. Yeah. Nagalit Tupperware. Wait, I need to stick. Okay. Hindi siya pantay. Wait lang guys, ha? Julie Vega lang. Ayun. There. Medyo pantay siya. Baka. Yan. Okay. So, actually, guys, I would like to ask for a favor. I know you guys do watch my vlogs, and I really appreciate it. But the thing is, I want the same response to my beauty channel. So, I would really like to ask you guys if you can go to my beauty channel and watch my videos. Oh, gross. Ayun, parang kasi I feel your presence in this channel, but I don't really feel a lot of presence on my beauty channel. So, sana you can share my beauty videos as well. But I'm not forcing you guys, okay? I'm not forcing you guys to do it. It's just your, what do you call this? Your choice to do it. Kasi, alam mo yun, parang naiinis ako talaga yung unong ganyan eh. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. Alam mo yun, alas 5 ng umaga. Oh well. Ayun na nga. So, as I was saying, I would like you girls to also visit my beauty channel, and as much as possible, kung gusto nyo lang, I'm not forcing everyone to do it, but as much as possible, please do promote my channel as well to your friends, to your loved ones, kasi, like, a simple click of share is very important. I'm not doing it for, like, getting paid, kasi, YouTube partner ako, malamang sa malamang mababayaran naman ako doon. But, the thing is, I would really like you guys to share it to everyone. Lalo yung mga product reviews ko. I would really appreciate if you share those. Not, alam mo yun, parang, okay lang kung yung makeup looks i-share nyo. Okay lang din kung yung mga kaek-ekan ko dun sa account na yun i-share nyo. Okay lang. But, I would really prefer the product reviews. Kasi, I work my very best to review the items, and I would like others to know more about them if they're really worth the hype, or it's much better to buy another product. Alam mo yun? Okay, I'll talk to you guys in a while. Medyo mag-uunat-unat na muna ako. Dahil after mag-convert nito, 58 minutes na lang naman, matutulog na talaga ako. Okay? I'll talk to you guys in a while. At makikita nyo yung Halloween costume ko this year. Yun eh. Yun yung excited din akong pakita sa inyo. So, I'll show you guys my Halloween costume later. Okay? Hi guys. Okay, I cannot look straight into the camera because, tananan! This is my Halloween makeup. Hindi pa siya complete. So, yeah. So, I'm at work already. And, pumasok na rin ako ng office ng aga nito. Push mo yan, day Halloween. You have an excuse to be weird. So, yeah. So, right now, I'm just checking my schedule. Nakita ka dito. Sorry guys kung nag-gross out man kayo sa makeup ko tonight, pagpasensyaan niyo na. It's the spirit of Halloween. Ayun. So, right now, I'm just gonna check my schedule. At hindi pa nasisira na yung ano ko. And if I don't move a lot, it will actually not do anything bad. I'll talk to you guys in a while.
Ahas na ano.
Ano?
Sabi ko, pakinggan ako. Kaya ano, basta yung kailangan yung intact siya na ano.
Oo. Ay, sandali. Ano yun mo? Kuha mo. Tapos harap ka sa akin.
Oh.
Sige. Guys, gusto yung makita yung tsura ko? Hi! Kulang mo yung makeup ko. Taga na elevator, Biyosi kami sa baba. Mananakot ako today. Ang hirap din mag-makeup, no? Nakatatlo na akong clients today. Hi, Tida. Can you hold this for me? Ikaw magkakamera sa akin. Hi, guys. Mag-makeup ako. Mag-makeup ako ng office mate. Lagi ko nga, makeupan mo ka. Mag-makeup ako sa Tida. Pero hindi kasi ako maya-maya eh. Oo. Hindi.
Sige, go.
Kasi gusto natin at dark. Huwag pa ganyan. Huwag mo pa ganyan natin, da. Saglit na klase ako. May klase siya. May video. Ako na. Paano ka ito? May make-upan?
Basta hindi ako makikita.
Ano ba gusto mo? Kasi yung dark.
Oo, yung dark. Pero kailangan
Ano?
foundation.
Ay, wala akong foundation. Tignan. Ayun. Tignan natin yung kay Noel. Siya kasi si Zumba. Zumba.
Zumang bading.
Zumba din.
Aris, malipis lang mo. Tingin. Sige. Oh, come on, let's push. Sino may eyeliner? Hira mo muna ang eyeliner. Teacher Arlene, hi!
Hello! Oh my gosh! So you're Walking Dead?
Yes, Walking Battered Dead. Hi.
Hello.
Miss Ayan Su, can I borrow your eyebrow? Can I borrow your eyebrow? She's doing Miss Julie. Eyebrow powder. Hey!
Powder? No, I don't. Pencil only.
Okay, pencil is fine.
Later because I'm gonna use it.
Okay. Mami, I'm gonna hurry na lang. We're gonna do Ate Das brows. Hey guys, okay, so actually, I've been taking pictures with my office mates. You will see the pictures on my Facebook page. I'll try to share it to my Facebook page. Pero for now, kakain na ako kasi gutom na ako. Oh my God, nagutom ako sa mga puro picture. Hindi kasi ako sanay. So yeah, I'm eating baked mac right now. Ay, napagod. I'm so hungry. Like, oh my God. Oh my God, you guys. Sugar overload ako today. Ang dami kong tamatamis. Like, this one's I'm gonna bring this tomorrow to Heritage. Kasi punta kami Heritage. Ito, kasi may magbo-bon voyage namin. Yung reaction eh. Derp lang. Tapos, I have donuts. I have coffee. I have soda. Lord! Ano ba naman? Oh well. Ayan, may klase na naman ako. Nag-frustrate ako pag Thursday. Pag I detest Wednesdays. Thursdays, hindi pa naman. Hi guys! It's about 9:08 in the evening. It's near the end of my shift. Ayan yung baba. Ayan. So, oh my God. Ako'y napapagod na. As you see, my makeup has actually faded, which is good. Mukha na akong laspag. Mukha na akong wasted, which is good. I'm a zombie. I have to look wasted. Ang dami pa rin na-freak out sa makeup ko. Like, bumaba ako kanina, and then there's this guy na sobrang na-freak out na talagang nauntog siya sa side ng elevator. Sabi ko, it's just prosthetics. Don't worry, I don't bite. I'm not a zombie. Hi guys! Actually, hinalaan nila kung sino si Noel. Ayan, zoom natin kay Noel. Ganun mo yung mukha mo, tilt up ka. Ayan. Medyo green kasi yung face niya. Alam niyo ba kung sino siya? Clue. Sino ba yung artistang yon? Jeric ba yun? Eric Hubalde? Derek Hubalde. Eh, kaso bakla siya. So, dapat hindi siya Zuma. Siya si Zumi. Ang babaeng Zuma. Ang baklang Zuma. Mananakot ako sa 30 seconds. Kasama ako sa dalawang to.
Para ba anis kang baka?
Uy, patay! Bastos ka. Siya si Zumi. Zumi ang baklang Zuma. Hindi na virgin na babae ang kinukuha niya. Virgin na lalaki. Virgin na lalaki. So, lahat ng virgin magtago, ha? Ha?
Taong pa lang nagkawin.
That counts.
Pagkatuloy pa nga yun.
My God, ano tong topic na to? Mamaya na tayo mag-usap. Look, they have a photo booth. Kaso masyadong maliit naman. Masutangkad pa. Masutangkad pa ako. Alaga na. Gusto niya magsuwi. Sama ako. Si Jay, siya ay si Neo ng Matrix. Kasi yung kapa niya wala. Ako naman, ako yung undead, battered girlfriend. Zombie-ish. Hi, Tila.
Hi.
Hi. I know. I will not share the camera. Uy, nanakot ako sa 30 seconds. Bye.